Hi friends, in this video you will learn what is FPI data and how you can use this FPI data to identify the sectors where the smart money is going. Before starting this video friends, I want to tell you that this is not my own concept or a setup. This method is basically a way of analysis which is used by big players like banks, DIIs and mutual funds to identify the sectors and their trends. And you should also follow this method so that you are playing along with the smart money and not against them or without them. So let's start this video friends. Firstly, you have to log into the website getbigmove.com, and after logging you will go directly to the dashboard here, and from the dashboard you can go to the sectors report. I am already on the sectors report. You can see that the sector report, actually we are taking the entire data from this website FPI, which I have already shown you. See, this data is actually given every fortnight or every 15 days by the NSDL website. Okay, you see the last data was given on August 15, 2022, and this data is given almost every 15 days. And before starting, I want just want to 1 minute of you so that you can know what is FPI. FPI is basically foreign portfolio investment, which includes all types of investment coming from outside India, which include foreign institutional investors, sub accounts, qualified foreign investors, etc. Okay, so now going back to the website, here you can see that we have given an instruction that select 6 dates. Okay, I will tell you why 6 days. So let's start few dates here. I'm going to select 6 dates. When we have 6 dates, it means that we have collected the data of last 3 months, so that you can see a trend of this data. Okay, there are two buttons, view investment and the net investment. When we click on the view investment, you will see actually the total investment done by FPI in different sectors. You see, sector automobile, capital goods, chemicals, diversified consumer services, FMCG, financial services. Financial services basically include all the banks and financial houses, NBFCs. Okay, then we have metals and mining also. All the core sectors are given here. When we get this data, we want to interpret in a better way so that we can see what is going on behind each and every sector. You see, and when I click on view net investment, you will see a new set of data which is telling me that the net investment, whether it has been withdrawn or added into the system by the FPIs. We can see here during the fortnight of 31st May to 15th June, they have withdrawn around 8600 crores. Okay, this is the net value they have withdrawn it, and but after that they are just adding more and more money into this sector, automobile sector. And same you can see from 30th June onward, the data is given on 30th June, like 15th June onward, they are just pumping in the money into the system. When we were withdrawing the money due to war and all that situation, the market was nearly 15,500 to 16,000. We were withdrawing the money, but in actual the FPI was pumping in the money. They were smartly buying the stocks at the lower levels. You see, they have invested a lot of money into automobile sector, and these days they are adding into the financial services. And you see, if I show you one sector, if I show you one sector like this oil and gas, they have withdrawn all the money, almost a huge money they have withdrawn, but they are now again pumping into the system. Okay, now we can correlate this data on the charts also, on the trading charts also. If I go back to the trading view, here I have opened the chart for Nifty Auto. I will correlate this data with. Okay, so you see, from 30th June, from basically 15th June onward, they are pumping in the money. We'll go to the trading chart here and we will see. Okay, now you see from 15th June the data, the 15th June the day of the data came, and okay, so you see from here what the data is seeing. It's a beautiful data. You see there is increment, and the same our data is also saying the money is being pumped in now into the automobile sector. You see the data. We can test some other sector also. Let's go to the financial services. Now we'll test this financial services. Now going back, I have applied the Nifty Finance now, financial services. So let's test this data. This tool is basically helping me to divide all the candles into 15 days period. Okay, so we'll go to nearly 15th June or this base. Okay, so you see from here earlier they were, I will add few more dates so that you can see what was going in the financial services in the previous months. Okay, now you see they were continuously removing the money from financial services. Okay, if we leave this month, this is almost negligible. If we compare with 1 lakh crore with only 26,000, this is almost neutral. And from this onward, if we start, see here they made a base. This was their final selling. This is where they stopped selling and started accumulating. Okay, 15 June, 15th June, or we can start from 1st June onward. You can compare data from here. You see from June, mid-June they started buying it. From mid-June they have started pumping in the money. Now you see, you can see it is being reflected into the charts. Okay, this is how it is a wonderful way of analyzing the sector. And once you have analyzed these sectors, you should play only in these sectors. Okay, so I will in my next videos I will tell you how to use this data, how to select the sectors. Like I will try to find few stocks in these sectors, and maybe this, and this is also a good sector. Now they have just started, they have made a base now, and they have started making investment in this sector. Okay, in my next video you will see how to find the stocks of these sectors and which are the sector in within this which are the stocks within this sector where the money is going in. Okay, keep following me, keep subscribing, and you can ask me anything in the comment section, friends. See you in the next video. Bye, friends.